present day. Want to see what I got? Hey guys, I just found a big box at my front door. I thought I would unbox it with you, see what's inside. I do see that it's from Oma Darlings, our sponsor for Candy Corn Quilt Shoppe. So how sweet of her. Let's see what she sent. Ooh, lots of goodies. Oh my goodness. All right. What do we have here? Kimberbell. Something fell. Kimberbell Light Mesh Cutaway Embroidery Stabilizer. Oh, nice. Light Mesh Cutaway. Very nice. It doesn't say fusible, so I'm assuming like we use this in our hoop for our quilting. That'll be fun. What's this one? Medium Cutaway Embroidery Stabilizer. So notice the colors on them. So light and then medium. Light. This one is a mesh cutaway and this one just says medium cutaway. And what else? What's this one? Iron away topping embroidery, sewing and embroidery stabilizer. So that's that one that they were recommending on the sofa. So an iron away topping, and it's in a light green. Ooh, look at this teal. How pretty is that? Wash away embroidery stabilizer. Ooh, I've never used that. Wash away embroidery stabilizer. Ideal for creating freestanding lace. Perfect to use on sheer fabrics where a stabilizer must be removed. 20-second dissolve in cool water. Nice. All right. And then what's this one? Fusible backing. Oh, this is the one that we use a lot of. So fusible backing, sewing and embroidery stabilizer, adds body to light and or medium fabrics, helps prevent fabric puckering, used in combination with tearaway or cutaway stabilizers. So in other words, we use a tearaway in our hoop. I like to use a tearaway in our hoop, but you can also use that light mesh cutaway in your hoop, or the medium cutaway in your hoop, and then use this to back your fabric. So the inside of garments, see my little stabilizer in there? I use that a lot for clothing, and then also for the back of each of our fabrics on our quilts. And what is this? Oh my goodness, this is a big one. How cute. It's got a little, she put it all in a little ribbon that says Oma Darlings on it. Flexifoam. Oh, this is great. This is what we used inside of the pumpkins. And this is also really good for those felt friends. Remember the felt friends? They're the cute little ornaments that you make for Christmas trees. Super cute gifts. Really cute little gift topper. Very fun. So Flexifoam. This is great. I like Flexifoam. And then, oh my goodness, what else does she have in here? Oh, how cute. Really little duckbill scissors. I've never seen these. They're super little. How cute are they? I bet that's great for little items. How fun. And they're purple. Very cute. Duckbill scissors. And then a note. She says she's very excited and thankful for all of her new customers, that you guys all supported her in sponsoring our Candy Corn Quilt Shoppe project. So how sweet she is. And then she included a couple of threads in purple, and this looks like it might be metallic. I'm not totally sure, but purple and like a orangish brown. How fun are these? So how sweet, how sweet. Thank you so much for all of the gifts, Oma Darlings. You guys have been so great to work with. This is great. I can show how to use all of these stabilizers. Wonderful, wonderful projects. Thank you so much, you guys. That was very sweet. How fun. And then I still have the gift cards that Susan Weege sent me. What a sweetheart she is. I'm thinking about putting that toward a new camera for my videos. We'll see. So anyway, lots of fun stuff. Thank you guys. And look at, I opened up the scissors. They're so cute. How fun are those? Those will be really nice for trimming small items. Very, very sharp and good. I love duckbill scissors. Those are fun. And these are metallic. How fun. Such great Halloween colors. Thank you so much, Oma. What's our next project? Candy Corn Quilt Shoppe. Want to join in? Hey Kimberbell friends, Kristen Somm here, and I have really exciting news. I've had so many messages of people asking me to work on Candy Corn Quilt as our next group project, and I found out tonight that we're gonna do it. That's gonna be our next official group project in the Kristen Creates Facebook group. So this project is sponsored by omadarlins.com in Kentucky. They are going to make it pretty cool for us. They have offered a discount code of 10% off of our one-time purchase for the Candy Corn Quilt Shoppe. And the code for that you need to put into your order is Kristen Creates. Kristin Creates. That's your code for your order to get 10% off of your order for your supplies for the Candy Corn Quilt Shoppe. And they're also offering free shipping on all orders over $100. So thank you to Oma Darlins for sponsoring our project, and thank you to the others that also offered to sponsor, and I just went with the first one and will use others in future projects. So very quickly, what you're going to need to get is the machine embroidery kit, and that comes with the CD, and then also the fabric kit and the embellishment kit. You need those 3 items for us to get started. So the fabric kit, the machine embroidery CD, booklet, and the embellishment kit. And you can get all 3 of those items on the Oma Darlins website. You can see that website here. Or if you prefer, you can give them a call here. So we're very excited to get started on this. I know everybody's been so excited about this new Kimberbell quilt. We're going to finish up our boardwalk quilt that we're currently working on in the group, but it's perfect timing. That means that gives you time to order your supplies to get ready for this project. We'll start soon. Excited? Let's do it. Are you getting ready for Christmas already? What's our next project after Candy Corn Quilt Shoppe? Hey Kimberbell friends, Kristen Somm here. And yes, I am wearing a Santa sweater in August, and I'm doing this for you. So I have received questions of what we're going to work on after Candy Corn Quilt Shoppe, because I know a lot of people are getting excited about Christmas already. So we have a new sponsor, and we are going to do Candy Cane Lane, the bench pillow. And the sponsor for this project is Your Best Friend's Quilt Shoppe, and they are in Idaho, like I am. So I have never been up there. I hear it's, I think maybe 4 hours away from me, in Grangeville, Idaho, and just the sweetest gal. So she was the first to respond with this new quilt, that's not quilt, sorry, bench pillow that's coming out. And so here's some information. It's called Candy Cane Lane. It's a bench pillow. And right now there are pre-orders going on. So I'm going to ask you that if you're going to do this project, please sponsor our sponsor, because that is what gives us our free tutorials, right? So I'm able to get sponsored by a quilt shop, and in turn I give them advertising, and so that they can get those pre-orders in and we can all have fun together with our tutorials. So what you need for this is the machine embroidery CD, the fabric kit, which does include the backing, and the embellishment kit, and then you can also get the optional thread kit. All of these items are available for pre-order right now at your best friend's quilt shop, and here is a link. I also have something cool. The owner is Christina, and she is going to provide you with a discount code here. This code will give you 12% off all of the items that you need for Candy Cane Lane bench pillow. And if you spend over $100 on your order, you'll get free shipping too. So please sponsor our sponsor. I think that's all the information I need. Your best friend's quilt shop. And like I said, she's already got the items listed as a pre-order. I think that they come out in September, October, I'm not sure, but hopefully right about the perfect timing for us to work on and finish our Candy Corn Quilt Shop quilt. So we're just jamming along with all kinds of fun stuff. And thank you to our sponsors. Also, if you look in the description of the video, right below the video, there is a description, and it's got links to everything that you could need and more information about the project. So check that out. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.